Thanks for joining the Home Builder video series. Today we're going to do a little bit of AI work using Claude, which is what you're looking at right now. We have a connector in the back of Claude, which is going to our Home Builder solution. So if you see this, we had set this up originally, and this is what we're using. Sorry, the Home Builder solution here. I've just got a few of the connectors in here, but that's the idea is we're going to build an analysis. So let's get started. I'm going to say list me the lots in the Home Builder. Let's see whether this gets us a result. As you can see, Claude goes out, finds the link, and yes, it's found our lots and gives us a reasonable return. And it's not bringing all the fields back, but it's done quite a nice job of looking them up. What I want to do here is I want to look at tasks. These are operational tasks that are being done on this lot, and we're going to reorganize them a little bit. So I'm going to say create a matrix of lots along the top and tasks down the side. This probably would take a couple of minutes. Okay, this is starting to make a bit of sense. We've got our tasks down the left, and we've got our lots along the top. It's put some check marks in, as clearly as where things have been done. Green completed, amber in progress, grey is pending. A little bit of a snapshot over here. It's quite nice. And that's good. What I would like it to do is I'd like it to give dates rather than just check marks. So let's ask it to do that. So replace the check marks with completed dates. I actually don't remember the name of the field, but hopefully it can pick this up. And if complete on time, make the text green. If late, make it red. If not completed, what are we going to do? Make cell background white and use the, oh goodness, was it planned completed or scheduled end date or something like that? Got it wrong? I'm sure it will tell us. Let's give this a try. Okay, so it has added the dates. They look pretty decent to me. So it said completed on time, not completed, open or pending. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So it's becoming very clear to me that we completed all this work. We have not done these. Yeah, but this is not clear enough to me on scheduled. So for not completed, make the text red for anything over. Let's do this like 8 days late. Yellow for what? For what can we do here? So light and keep it as black for future dated. Let's do that. That's kind of probably a better result. And then when it gives us that, I think we'll have a decent report. It's starting to bring in the results. Okay, yeah, happy with this. Oh, we could play with the colors a little bit, but I think that's reasonably easy to read. Gives us our picture that we want, all the way down to the pre-delivery inspection, broken up by lots. Yeah, that's becoming a clear message. Okay, so happy to see it in here, but now give me an Excel download. That's it. And in a relatively short time, we've created our report. Clearly, we could do things like ask it to only have certain lots and only certain tasks and break things up. But hopefully this demonstrates to you that we have an interface within Claude that directly connects with our Business Central HomeBuilder database, pulling out information to allow us to have reports. Just wait for the Excel sheet, and then I'll be done. All right, let's open up this Excel sheet. There it is. Oh, nice. Got some nice summarizations of the phase of the construction work. Done a decent build here of completed versus incomplete. And we've got our black elements here. All right, I'm happy with this result. Now, thanks for watching.